Did you know that Japan consistently ranks among the world's top savers? It's true. This small island nation has managed to cultivate a culture of financial prudence that is admired globally. From young children to elderly citizens, the Japanese people have ingrained the habit of saving money into their daily lives. But how did this come to be? The Japanese people have a remarkable track record of financial prudence. This isn't just a modern phenomenon. It has deep historical roots. For centuries, Japan has faced various economic challenges, from natural disasters to periods of economic stagnation. These experiences have taught the Japanese the importance of being prepared for the unexpected. They are known for their dedication to saving money. This dedication is evident in their meticulous budgeting practices and their commitment to living within their means. It's not uncommon to see Japanese families regularly reviewing their finances and making adjustments to ensure they stay on track. This cultural phenomenon isn't just a quirk, it's a testament to their deep understanding of financial well-being. But what's their secret? How do they manage to maintain such a high level of financial discipline in a world that often encourages spending over saving? How do they do it? The answer lies in a combination of time-tested techniques and a mindset geared towards financial responsibility. One of the key strategies is the practice of kakeibo, a traditional Japanese method of budgeting that encourages mindful spending and saving. The answer lies in a combination of time-tested techniques and a mindset geared towards financial responsibility. Kakeibo, which translates to household financial ledger, is more than just a budgeting tool. It's a philosophy that promotes awareness of one's financial habits and encourages thoughtful decision-making. In a world often defined by consumerism, Japan offers a refreshing perspective on the importance of living within your means. By prioritizing needs over wants and making conscious choices about their expenditures, the Japanese people have managed to build a culture of financial stability and resilience. Let's delve into the fascinating world of Japanese saving strategies and discover how you can apply them to your own life. From the practice of kakeibo to the importance of setting financial goals, there is much we can learn from Japan's approach to money management. Get ready to unlock a world of financial empowerment. By adopting some of these time-tested techniques and cultivating a mindset of financial responsibility, you too can achieve greater financial stability and peace of mind. Join us as we explore the secrets behind Japan's financial prowess and learn how to apply these principles to your own life. Saving money is like building a strong foundation for your financial future. It's not just about putting away a few dollars here and there. It's about creating a stable base that can support you through life's ups and downs. Think of it as constructing a solid house. Each brick you lay represents a step toward financial security and peace of mind. It's about achieving peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. When you have a financial cushion, you can face unexpected challenges with confidence. Whether it's an emergency medical expense or a sudden job loss, having savings means you won't be caught off guard. This sense of preparedness brings a unique tranquility to your life. The Japanese understand this deeply. Their culture emphasizes the importance of saving and planning for the future. From a young age, they are taught the value of money and the significance of being financially responsible. This mindset is ingrained in their daily lives, influencing their spending habits and financial decisions. They prioritize saving as a non-negotiable aspect of life, not just a nice-to-have. For them, saving is a disciplined practice, much like a daily ritual. They use traditional methods like the kakeibo, a household budgeting journal, to meticulously track their income and expenses. This practice helps them stay on top of their finances and avoid unnecessary debt. Imagine a life with less financial stress, where unexpected expenses don't derail your plans. By adopting these practices, you can create a buffer that allows you to handle life's surprises without panic. This financial resilience means you can focus on your goals and aspirations without constantly worrying about money. This is the promise of embracing the Japanese way of saving. It's about more than just accumulating wealth. It's about fostering a sense of security and well-being. When you save consistently, you build a future where you can pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. It's about making conscious choices today to secure a brighter tomorrow. Every financial decision you make, no matter how small, contributes to your overall financial health. By being mindful of your spending and prioritizing savings, you set yourself up for long-term success. Saving money empowers you to achieve your dreams, whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or retiring comfortably. These goals become attainable when you have a solid financial plan in place. The freedom to make these choices is one of the greatest benefits of a disciplined saving habit. It's time to shift your mindset and embark on a journey toward lasting financial stability. Embrace the principles of the Japanese way of saving and watch as your financial future transforms. With dedication and consistency, you can build a life of financial freedom and peace. Let's face it, saving money isn't always easy. Many of us find ourselves struggling to make ends meet, especially when unexpected expenses arise. Whether it's an emergency car repair, a medical bill, or even just the rising cost of living, these financial hurdles can make saving seem like an impossible task. We've all been tempted by impulse purchases or struggled to resist the allure of keeping up with the Joneses. The latest gadgets, trendy clothes, and dining out can quickly drain our bank accounts. It's a constant battle between our wants and our financial goals. It's easy to overspend when we're bombarded with advertising and societal pressures. Everywhere we look, there's a new product being marketed as a must-have. Social media influencers flaunt their luxurious lifestyles, making us feel like we need to spend more to keep up. Sometimes, the biggest obstacle to saving is simply a lack of motivation or a clear understanding of where to start. Without a solid plan, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and give up before we even begin. But the good news is, there are strategies that can help. But don't worry, we're about to unravel some practical solutions. By setting realistic goals, creating a budget, and tracking your spending, you can take control of your finances. Small changes in your daily habits can lead to significant savings over time. The good news is that by adopting the right mindset and techniques, you can overcome these challenges. It's all about being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. The Japanese have mastered the art of mindful spending, and their strategies can help you gain control of your finances. By learning from their disciplined approach, you can develop habits that will not only help you save money, but also bring you peace of mind. Enter Kakeibo, a centuries-old Japanese budgeting system that's gaining popularity worldwide. It's not just about tracking expenses, it's about fostering a mindful relationship with your money. Kakeibo involves recording your income and expenses meticulously, then categorizing them to understand your spending patterns. This hands-on approach increases awareness and helps identify areas where you can cut back. The beauty of Kakeibo lies in its simplicity. It's about asking yourself key questions before each purchase. Do I really need this? Will this bring me joy? Can I afford it? This mindful approach can transform your spending habits and unlock hidden savings potential. Saving isn't just a personal endeavor in Japan, it's deeply ingrained in their culture. From a young age, children are taught the value of money and the importance of saving for the future. This cultural emphasis on financial responsibility creates a supportive environment for saving. The Japanese also have a strong aversion to debt, preferring to save up for purchases rather than relying on credit. Moreover, Traditional values like frugality and resourcefulness are still prevalent in Japanese society. This focus on making things last and finding creative ways to save money contributes to their overall financial well-being. Ready for a game-changing saving strategy that you can implement right now? It's called the Pay Yourself First method, and it's incredibly effective. Here's how it works. Before you pay your bills or make any other expenditures, set aside a predetermined portion of your income into a separate savings account. Treat this savings contribution as a non-negotiable expense. The key is to automate this process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account each month. You'll be amazed at how quickly your savings will grow without even thinking about it. The beauty of Japanese saving techniques lies in their simplicity. They don't require complex financial instruments or expert knowledge. They are rooted in common sense and a commitment to financial discipline. Whether you choose to embrace Kakebo, the Pay Yourself First method, or any other saving strategy, remember that consistency is key. Start small, be patient, and celebrate your progress along the way. By adopting these practical techniques, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals and securing a brighter financial future. Remember, every dollar saved is a step towards financial freedom.